have a little bit of green in them, and they just make that tile pop. How beautiful is that? To add a little softness, I'm gonna place a cookbook just leaned up against the tile. This area is finished. All right, now we're ready to do the right side of the stove. She already has a gorgeous KitchenAid mixer. So we've got a little box with a little maidenhair fern in it, lightweight, easy to remove. She also had a gorgeous pitcher full of wooden spoons. Perfect spot right next to the stove, and that is all you need in that area. Another way to accessorize your kitchen is just add some cute little salt and pepper shakers on the top of your stove. So I'm just going to add some soap and lotion right up against the faucet. We don't need to overcrowd the sink. So we're going to decorate this side of the island. This is a big area, but I don't want to overcrowd it. Remember, she's got 2 little munchkins. So an easy way to do that is to decorate with a tray, so that whatever you're placing on the tray, make it look beautiful. It's easy to pick up and move out of the way quickly. I like this tray because it's mirrored, so I'm going to set it there. I'm going to add a little bit of greenery with this little Boston fern in a cute little pot, and then just these 3 little candles. That's all you need. So when it comes to accessorizing your kitchen, keep it simple and neat, and you're going to make it beautiful. I want to thank my daughter-in-law for letting me use her house today to film. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll have another video out next week, and I hope you have a wonderful day.